Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Thanks for checking out another video. Today we are here with the WRX with another part that is transferred over from the 15 Plus platform. This is going to be the fuse box cover that converts to the JDM coin tray. So in other countries we got the coin tray, and here in the US we just got a plain fuse box cover. So this is a very simple thing to install. It's not going to take long at all, but it's very useful. So installing this thing is super easy. All we have to do is pull down our factory fuse cover, pull it off, grab our new one, pop it on, clip it into place, and now you can see we can open and close it, and we filled our gap. Now you can put whatever you want in there. Maybe you get in your car and you don't want your key in your pocket. You can put your key in there, close it up for the trip, or maybe you want to keep some extra cash in there. You can put your money in there, or you can put some hand sanitizer in there. And we're not going to judge you for what you put in there. You can put anything in there that you want and just close it on up. And there you go. And then whenever you're ready for it, you just pop it open, grab it, do what you got to do, put your stuff back in there, close it up, boom. Super easy, super cheap, effective. Well guys, I told you it'd be an easy install. That's it for today's video. As I said, you can find a link to that in the description if you're looking to get one for yourself, but we'll see you guys in the next one.